Welcome to JH. Today, I'll guide you through the process of updating your Trello profile image. This procedure is quite straightforward, so just follow along. Start by heading to the top right corner and clicking on your current profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. Once the account settings page loads, locate the Profile and Visibility section. Click on your profile image here, then choose the Add Profile Photo option. Select Upload a Photo to browse your computer's files. Pick your desired image, then adjust the scale and position until you're satisfied. Hit the Upload button to confirm. Your new image will now be saved to your Atlassian account. As you can see, the update is successful. You can now close this tab. Within a few moments, the change will reflect on your main Trello dashboard. That is all there is to it. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. See you in the next tutorial.